your accounts at any time, the media, political parties, and all stakeholders who request access to the system. At the same time you are accessing like this, you can access from your offices, from wherever you are, to even here we are using a network to display these results.
Candidates with capacity to deploy agents in kit that is going to be used to transmit the image of the form has a provision for 2 SIM cards. And traditionally what we have done from 2017, we first of all map the strength of the mobile network operators, and depending on the strengths, the kits, one of them with the highest strength in the area in terms of connectivity becomes the primary SIM, and the other one becomes a backup SIM.
And how do you confirm the result came from the polling station it is alleged to have come from? Each form is encrypted with the signature of the tablet from which it came. So you'll be able to trace each form to a tablet, and each tablet is traceable to a polling station. How did we choose the polling stations? We have 1450 wards. We wanted as wide coverage as possible, so for you to have wide coverage, you choose the wards, and within the wards we chose 2 stations at random, one relatively easy, the other one more difficult because of network coverage. The choice is such that when you have 2 in a ward, and each constituency has 3, 4, 5 wards, so we are comfortable that we've covered each constituency for this test. And since each county also has a constituency, we have also covered the counties. I hope that addresses the question.